You're managing data with Google Sheets, but generating insights with Perplexity. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when new data is added to your Google Sheets, automatically generate AI-powered analysis and insights. Or create intelligent summaries of your spreadsheet data the moment it's updated. Or even turn your raw Google Sheets data into actionable business intelligence with automated AI responses. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Google Sheets and Perplexity, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.